Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home Food and Healthy Food. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today we are going to make Pessarattu Onion Dosa with Upma and tomato chutney. It's commonly eaten breakfast from Andhra cuisine. It's thin crepe or dosa made from green gram, and it's served with Upma and any kind of chutney. Here, we need to have 3 things. Firstly, Pesarattu batter. You can check online or YouTube videos on how to make it. Secondly, Upma I will show you in this video. Finally, tomato chutney. You can find the recipe in my previous videos or you can find the video link on bottom of this video. Now, let's see the ingredients for Upma. 1/4 cup of peanuts. 1 cup of sliced onions. 1/4 cup of chopped carrot into small. 1/4 cup of potatoes chopped into small pieces. 3 green chilies chopped into medium-sized pieces. 1 sprig of sliced curry leaves. 1/2 cup of cilantro leaves or kothimeera. 1 cup of Upma rava. 10 pieces of cashew nuts. 2 tablespoons of ghee. 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and brown mustard seeds. Few pinches of turmeric powder. Switch on the stove on low flame. Take medium-sized saucepan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. After ghee is heated, now add 1 cup of Upma rava and roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove to a cup and keep aside to cool completely. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on medium flame. After oil is heated, break cashew nuts into small pieces and add them. Add urad dal, cumin and brown mustard seeds and stir well. Now add peanuts and stir well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add sliced onions. Now add green chilies and stir well. Add salt to taste. Now add chopped carrots and potatoes and stir well for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and stir well. Add few pinches of turmeric. Now add 4 cups of water. Now check the salt level is okay or not, otherwise add some salt. You can add some lime juice, otherwise it's totally fine. Now cover saucepan with lid and get to vigorous boil for 5 minutes. Keep the flame on low and start adding roasted rava slowly, stirring continuously in another hand. Now cover saucepan with lid. Simmer on low flame for 5 minutes or till Upma is cooked well. Now switch off the stove and add sliced curry leaves and cilantro or kothimeera. Mix well. Wow, it really looks delicious, isn't it? Keep it aside. Now take 1 small cup and add 1/2 cup of onions, half a tablespoon of crushed cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of minced ginger, and 1 tablespoon of thin sliced green chilies. Mix well. Switch on the stove on medium flame. Take cast iron griddle or dosa pan. After pan is heated, pour a ladle full of Pesarattu batter on the center of the pan or griddle. Spread it evenly in a circular shape to get a dosa. Add onion mix on top of dosa. Drizzle oil around the edges. Allow to cook until it turns red or golden brown. That's it. Now serve dosa with upma and tomato chutney. If you are looking for tomato chutney recipe, please find the link here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another interesting videos. Until then, stay safe.